Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if Fortnite is available on TCL 306. So first let's check the Google Play Store. It shouldn't be here there, but we're gonna see. Write Fortnite in the search. No results found, so it's not available on Google Play Store. Now let's try Epic Games app. You can download this app from Epic Games app website. Now let's get the Fortnite. And as you can see, device is not supported, so that means TCL 306 does not support Fortnite. You can't play it here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.